Imagine two black holes crashing into each other. No light, no sound, but the impact sends a ripple through the entire fabric of the universe. A ripple that shake the universe. A ripple that traveled 1.3 billion light years until it reached Earth. And we heard it without ears. This is the story of gravitational waves and the secret language of the universe. Before we dive into Einstein's most mind-bending idea, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a journey into the weirdest corners of space and time. Imagine the universe is made of a cosmic fabric, space-time. Now, imagine placing a bowling ball on a trampoline. The ball warps the surface, just like stars warp space. Now shake the ball and you'll see ripples. That's what gravitational waves are, distortions in the geometry of space and time. They move at the speed of light, traveling through the universe like silent tsunamis. In 1916, Albert Einstein predicted these waves using his theory of general relativity. But even he wasn't sure if they'd ever be detected. They were so faint, so subtle, they seemed beyond reach. For decades, it was considered a mathematical curiosity, not something we'd ever actually hear. Then came LIGO, the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory. Two giant L-shaped detectors in the US, one in Louisiana, the other in Washington state. Each has 4-kilometer arms with lasers bouncing back and forth. They measure changes 1/10,000th of the width of a proton. In 2015, it happened. LIGO heard a tiny chirp, the signal of two black holes merging 1.3 billion years ago. The Earth literally stretched just a little, and LIGO caught it. A black hole forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity. All its matter is crushed into a single point, a singularity, with infinite density and zero volume. Around it is the event horizon, the point of no return. Once you cross it, you can't escape, not even light. Time near a black hole slows dramatically. From an outside perspective, you'd appear frozen in time as you fall in. Sometimes, two black holes are born near each other, orbiting in a death spiral. As they circle closer, they lose energy by emitting gravitational waves. Faster, closer, louder, then boom, they merge. In that split second, more energy is released than the output of the entire universe, and it all escapes as a gravitational wave. If that blew your mind, hit that like button and subscribe to keep riding gravity waves with me through space and time. That 2015 signal wasn't just a win, it was a new sense. Until then, we could only see the universe with light, visible, X-ray, radio, but gravitational waves let us feel things that don't emit light. Black holes, neutron stars, hidden structures in space-time. We're no longer just looking at the universe, we're listening to it breathe. In 2017, LIGO and Virgo detected neutron stars colliding. Neutron stars are city-sized balls of pure nuclear matter, so dense a teaspoon weighs billions of tons. When they merged, gravitational waves and gamma rays were detected. That's how we learned these collisions create heavy elements like gold and platinum. That's right, your jewelry may have been born in a cosmic explosion. LIGO is just the beginning. Coming soon, LISA, Laser Interferometer Space Antenna, a gravitational wave detector in space built by NASA and ESA. LISA will detect supermassive black hole collisions, waves from the early universe, maybe even signals from cosmic strings or extra dimensions. The future of gravitational astronomy might even unlock wormholes, white holes, or the multiverse. Some physicists believe black holes might be gateways to other universes. Others think they could reverse into white holes, blasting matter back into space. The math doesn't rule it out, but we need more data. And gravitational waves could give us that. So tell me this, do you think black holes hide other dimensions? Drop your theory in the comments. I'm reading all of them. Gravitational waves are not just evidence of extreme collisions, they're proof that space-time is alive. We used to think the universe was silent, but now we know it's singing. just starting to hear the song. If you learned something new, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. Because next time, we'll dive into the multiverse, time travel, or quantum black holes. This is Wrapped Reality explained by Haider. Thanks for watching.